Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making a very famous snack in Ghana, Claclo. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy snack. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. So for ingredients for making our Akrakro or wrap plantain fritters, we'll be needing overwrap. You really need overwrap plantain, cloves, spring onions, pepper, ginger, flour, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. Go ahead and blend the cloves. You grate your ginger and your onion in your sink. I think it's very easy to grind. We also needed oil for the frying, but we didn't say it in the ingredients, so oil for frying. So we now pour oil for the frying of our wrapped plantain fritters. It's so wrapped. So this is really what you need. So you don't need to throw your overwrap plantain away. You can always use it for this recipe. You go ahead and gradually you mash it, guys. It looks so good, guys. It looks really good. Go ahead and add salt. Salt is always to your taste. And then go ahead and mix it together. You really need to do this. Make sure that it's well mixed. Guys, our mixture is ready. It's well combined. So I'll go ahead and remove. And then mix it with our flour. And make sure it's really mixed well. You combine it well, guys. It's very necessary. The amount of flour depends on how soft you want it. The secret ingredient, the spring onions, to bring some more flavor and taste and color to your plantain fritters or Claclo. You go ahead and add it to your Claclo, the mixture, and stir everything in. Brings a lot of color to the Claclo, guys, on another level. Our Claclo mixture is ready, guys. Look at this. It looks so yummy. You can check out my video. I have a video on kelewele oven. I have kelewele in the oven also fried. I also have tatale. So you can check all these wrapped plantain videos on the channel. A lot of recipes with wrapped plantain on the channel, guys. Check it out for me. Subscribe and also share for me. Share your woman out. I really need your share. Thank you. Now our oil is ready, so go ahead and start frying our Akrakro. is doing perfect. Look at this. Look at this. It's really doing really good. Look at this. It's so yummy. Kaaklo is doing perfect. Almost ready, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Time to remove our Akrakro, guys. It looks so yummy. Yummy. I have been away. Oh, it's Bobo kitchen. I could be see. Guys, it's time to serve our Akrakro. It's going well with our boko. Oh. So you look at this. Look at how yummy it looks. Remember, kona. She. Look at this, guys. Super yummy. Look at this. Let's go ahead and sprinkle it with some spring onions. Look at this. It looks so yummy. Let me open one for you to see what I was telling you guys. Look at this. Look at this. It looks so yummy. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious plantain fritters or Akrakro. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Guys, please share me out. Please hit the notification bell and also leave me a comment below because your comment means a lot to me. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.